Sabe? Let's have it. English F9. Ha! Maths F9. Biology F9. Are you selling it?
I wonder.
When I was your age in school, I used to come out first. Yes, first. I was too brilliant. So I'll go out and odds you and then pay your school fees. And you will come back with this kind of nonsense result, Abby?
It's not my result.
Oh, it's my own now. It's my own.
Yes, Daddy.
I don't understand.
I saw it on Daddy bed. It's your own.
Hey!
I never spelled it.
Hello my people, on a day what's the sub, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So my people, please make sure to watch this video to the very end because trust me, it makes sense. It's very hilarious, you understand, and you go to laugh. I know they lie, I go lie for you, I know they lie for you. So my people, you know what to do, make sure to subscribe and don't play it. Let's go have some fun. Edoboy.
Hey baby, what's up now? How are you? Me I know they okay. I just come back from doctor's side now. I need to let me know say me I don't carry 1 or 2.
Nah, lie. Gee, sorry.
I see drug when carry give me now. And they let me know now say I go day house for 2 weeks. They take this medication. 2 weeks.
How you want one? I never say no go come up with that too.
See, I go rugged down.
You go rugged down. Now if you say anybody way come close to you like don't get it till you get it.
Well, this is our OS job now. Street all of us do. Everybody knows in our jungle. Who don't contact, I beg.
Oh yeah, nah, no problem. We'll go see.
Bad girl. You can't take.
No.
As a young boy, you carry a woman for head.
Yeah, I don't get money where they give una today. No be money boss. What you happen? I will just use them. Look at that guy.
Just like that.
Big
Oh, just like that.
Big
Look at that, just come down and give her. Head boy, ah!
Jesus.
Head boy. My head, this one they good. My head is they give.
You want to lick my plate?
Yes, sir. I want to lick am head. Now wait till they come in home. Just after me, who just see Uri.
If you want to lick my plate, you have to add extra money.
Money, you know, still a best is there inside. Money na water, no worry.
Every little mineral resources with that to they go lick a commot.
Ah, okay.
Play that go. Afana, calm down now. I think see that guy with the game show game they come.
How sure say that guy game they show?
That guy they sustain me.
Now if you leave me make I play my normal game now.
Maybe this is not police station with this.
I go.
Now be bet shop now.
Yes.
He they show.
Afana, that thing a small boy no know anything about game.
Stop. Bros, you dey focus from your head.
Confirm, not from my head. No.
This head.
Yes, now you work.
You dey win.
Madam. Chamo!
Bros, what I know?
You win that last one, Abby? I will know.
Not the guy.
Now the guy. You need the game. I give my friends.
Bros, my own I beg. Bros, I beg, where you get this game from?
Now bet fuse.
Bet fuse.
Now the best prediction app now.
That's huge.
All you need to do now to go click the link where they buy you. You go carry you enter their Telegram channel. For there you go they see plenty prediction. Good ones. Now to just they pick, they play, they win.
And they will get the bet fuse app now, Abby. So that in case person fit download them too.
Then get Betfuse app where you will go download for Play Store or Apple Store. Go there, download them.
You mean that? Yeah. Madam, play this one for me.
Wait, now turn by turn.
Bros, I don't like when you people are rushing. I don't like the way people are rushing here.
Afana, let me carry you come.
Madam, take this one, Nara.
Papa. Mama.
What happened?
Mama, yeah.
What you Mama?
What
is wrong now?
And that game go enter now. You show me say the game go enter.
What happened now? This boy just come to say mama. What's the problem?
You know, say our neighbor just buy new fowl.
Fowl?
The fowl can't run. You can't say make I call you and make you help and catch him.
Hey!
Say, you go give us 1 leg.
Hey!
God, how did they see me? How did they see me for this country? Jesus, make me I catch fowl. Investor catch fowl. Respect yourself.
Hey, the game enter. La la la. I don't see the game go enter.
Bros, Afana, you don't play. I play. I win 10 million.
Hey.
Me, I win 5 million. No.
Hey.
Me, I win 20 million.
If the game come call out.
Person bring game from Bedfield where they play. Now this boy can't call me.
Hey.
What's this now?
You don't forget say you be king of bad luck. You think say if you play that game for play. Just help them and be joyous. Be joyful for them. Because you and bad luck will not be like collabo, you not pay work.
Oh, they struggle.
Do make you go catch farm. We will get one leg go each chop this night. Chop.
The suffer is real.
Bad luck.
Papa, come get found corona. You know sound good and catch me up.
This is the height it has gone to. Like it's going higher every day. No problem.
That's your own bad luck.
Babe.
Ndubaby.
Babe, deal with me now. Deal with me.
Young man, what is it? See, it's not like I don't like you. I just don't like your dress sense. Sash you pack your phone like who run from psychiatric home. Why not be like your mate and buy clothes from Agkaay.ng? Agkaay.ng is a fashion-forward brand that deals on quality wears, shoes and accessories with the best prices. They have shop in Lagos, Onitsha, Abuja, Enugu, even Port Harcourt. If you cannot go to their shop, you use their website at www.agkaay.ng. Stop looking tacky and look good for God's sake. I don't like it. Please.
They even get shop for Port Harcourt. You know what? I will get you. Chinedu, you won't stress.
You won't stress me. Hey, baby, don't go there. Baby. Ndubaby.
Welcome to Agkaay.ng, sir.
Thank you. This place is fine. No?
Yes, sir.
You still go buy a shot.
We have other things, sir. Do you want to see? Okay, something to go with this.
Spell.
This is clean.
Ndubaby done dey sharp.
This is what I mean.
Am I not fine, boy? Yes, sir, you are. Did I not look fine? Too much fine. Did I wear like a cut man? When I'm coming out, I look so vivacious. I look so
They don't come out the chains.
and I'm always look so phantamagorious.
That baby, that.
Oh my God. So you finally came to Agkaay.ng.
You can see it as you tell me. I just locate down.
Wow. See how perfect you look.
He did not complete fashionista.
Now you can be my friend.
You can now walk, Abi.
Sure.
Sir, savings are current.
You say?
Savings are current, sir.
Savings.
Money no dey.
You got those ones too?
Yeah, I was going to come back later in the evening.
Your pin, sir. Oh, thank you.
Wow,
very
you
much
go.
for shopping with us.
Okay.
You know, say from here, we dey go lick ice cream. From ice cream, we dey go watch movie. From movie, either my house or your house, depends on where life dey.
It's fine. As long as you're wearing Agkaay.ng.
Ghana.
So you know
Okay, anybody who
do
don't pass 30 years no fit do that backflip. Like this now they put am $100. Anybody who fit do and collect this money. Baba no worry, I go do am. Me I dey 30 plus, I go do am. See you, oya.
Okay, see, I don't dey cross 40, but me I go do am.
We dey here now, oya. See this one.
Mommy, see
Hey.
This man is under completed Bermuda trial.
Too much. Like this they do am. Now because I no chop come. No, it is safe and flip. Now because I no. You see anybody wey don reach wetin no go fit. Anybody wey don reach 30 years no fit do backflip. I put am this money. $100. See am. Anybody wey fit do am collect am. They no do am. Madam, no do. Madam. Jesus.
I don't give a fuck with their name. I'm way better. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. I'm way cover. Cool like Mayweather. McGregor, but move like Mayweather.
As you can see, it's a very spacious house.
The house is not really bad. So what do you think? Are you taking it?
I love you.
My baby says she love her. As far as my baby love her, no problem. Now she had to rent the house for. I'll suggest you make payments now because this is the last unit around this area. Baby, come make her follow and talk. I beg no verse. The phone with my vendor number in the house because I go need to trade my gift card before I feel pay you. Gift card? Who is my vendor now? Lie you. If not be Dream Team China, I know they trade because now they be #1 for anything gift card to Bitcoin. They get nice rate. They legit. So you tell me say they trade both Amazon, eBay, and Steam. Anything card at all to Bitcoin.
That is mine.
Dream Team China.
They never pay. You don't flex.
I will send you your money once I don't do my
I'm not be saying that you they pay.
Expect them now.
Hello, my dear. Hello, my dear.
Afa, they pack your load, bro.
What happened?
On that landlord, though, you never allow me to talk anything at all. The 2 weeks grace when you give me don't expire. You tell me if I don't come up for you, you go arrest me. So
why you say if no pay your rent now?
Go on punish you, okay? Because they squat, you know say hard times there.
And they don't go pay for woman.
So where would they go like this?
I wonder.
They Chris, show me say where would they go? And they go my parents' house, I don't know where you they go.
Oh, they struggle.
They park, Afa, they park.
Can you imagine? And you don't go buy this thing for woman.
My love.
Why are you here? Where are you going with your bags?
You the band my your friend. I never know say friend when they follow stay house. They never feel pay rent. Nah, he they go back to his parents.
So where are you going to now?
I said I can't stay here for some time. Before I will know where I could go next.
You cannot stay here. My brother is around.
Your brother is around? You don't spoil now. Just tell us say your boyfriend is around. And the boyfriend I pay for the house.
Babe, he does not like people to disturb his space at all.
I beg keep quiet. For station I pay for. Sweet in this house. You never let me enter this house 3 times. Your brother there and I don't enter house. Your brother decrease.
Who does disturb my space?
Sasu, just be going.
Woman.
No Allah shall go come back. My fair give una space.
Oh, chim.
Hey! Babe. So when you rush this food like this, you won't run? Are you carrying me control, you know?
Don't worry. Calm down, don't worry. Eat. I'll settle the bill. Okay?
Kasongo, yeah.
My guy, this.
Mumbari nanga. Kasongo, mbona we. Songari bala. Oh, yeah.
They look the price list.
Kasongo, mbona we.
Madam, I saw just increase on our price.
My sister, na so, na the economy.
Run, no.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. Eat, don't worry.
I don't want trouble.
Eat, I'll settle the bill, don't worry.
God have mercy upon us.
Mama, the fine girl been there, you see her?
She don't go now, so she dey do. She no tell you, now you go pay now.
She don't tell me, oh.
Oga, now you go pay, now so she dey tell the chop her afternoon food. I don't want to hear this one way they follow me, they talk, oh.
Now me should take chop afternoon food.
I dey vex, so now they ask me that kind of question.
Mama, I was just passing on my own, she toast me. She said she want to be taken care of me. That she want to give me a good meal. Now I tell you.
I not there for that one when they follow me, they talk, oh. Hey! Me send you to carry fine girl, call you will carry fine girl, you know say you go pay.
Madam, like she carry me, oh.
Oga, answer me, pay me my money, oh. Abi you want me to rough you?
Madam, you want run fine boy like me?
If you pass me, I come and then go mount here now.
Hey! Madam, can I wash it?
Whatever, I never look back. If I turn back, make I turn to.
Go to the hide.
I was looking for inside the house now. What are you doing here?
Daddy, I'm watching a movie on the Generous channel. It's called 6 PM Proposal.
Let me see.
Very interesting.
Something there, your hand.
I'm going out there. When I come back, put this for me now. Let me wash.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
Left hand.
Wait, oh. Did you change your phone?
Yes, Daddy.
Who gave you money?
I won the phone online.
You won the phone online? How?
From 24GP.
Are you serious?
Yes, they're giving out free iPhone 16, brand new cars, and users will stand a chance to win 50 million naira.
So I tell you, they do this
follow
advert.
their pages on their websites and then sign up so you can play their virtual games. That's all, Daddy.
Just like that? Ha, when I come back, you teach me how to do it now. Oh yeah, now take care. What are you hiding behind your back?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Let me see now. Let me see that.
You are good. You are good, play. Don't worry. You go cry. See, all of them want to listen to my advice. Not worry.
What's going on here?
Wait, oh. I thought you never give me your result. So you are lying to me, Abi? You are lying to me. Don't worry. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. English F9. Ha! Maths F9. Biology F9. Are you selling it?
I wonder.
When I was your age in school, I used to come out first. Yes, first. I was too brilliant. So I will go out and odds and then pay your school fees. And you will come back with this kind of nonsense result, Abi?
It's not my result.
Oh, it's my own now. It's my own.
Yes, Daddy.
I don't understand.
I saw it on Daddy bed. It's your own.
Hey! I never expected it.
And he said the candy first when he was that age.
Between this year and last year,
you put the result for out.
Everybody on man.
You don't get sense. When you apply for so many jobs, Talkless.
Every day, person will come up for work, go to find work. You don't go see. How many months now? I don't find work. Come on, I don't retire out.
Gift. You get box.
Who send me Valentine gift?
That's scratch.
You want my screenshot here?
Okay. Let's watch this video.
Hey!
Jesus.
Hello, good day. Am I speaking to Mr. Talkless from 26 Fathom Street?
Yes, Nami.
That you already got the package.
Yes, ma'am.
I know you're wondering why you got the package.
Continue.
You applied for an armed robber job last week. And that package is to inform you that you're fully employed.
I'm not applying for armed robber, ma'am.
I'm here to inform you that you're fully employed and your work starts today.
Jesus.
Check the package for time and location.
That's what I do for you.
But madam, I don't know when.
Mr. Talkless, while we'll meet in the location, we're going to talk about it. Okay?
How? But wait, which time I apply for armed robber job again?
One man pick.
Okay, for how many months they find work for this country? Now the armed robber give back to me.
Continue.
God, hope nobody say this thing a sign.
What I try to say?
Sign of what?
Who am I to blame God? Make I check the location where they go first.
Let's have it.
I don't dare my fans.
Yo,
He shot you.
Jesus, my brain, one blow.
Calm down. They are gone. You have escaped. Calm down.
Hey! Lighthouse.
This house. I don't even know what to watch on. I'm the one that buy the TV. Do I watch it? Why even watching on television? Good boy.
Hey. Now your phone password the pikin can't steal. Your phone password.
Already.
Ma.
Come.
Okay, ma.
I thought you said your daddy's password is 027896.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
That's what I saw.
So why is it now saying correct password? What is how? I sent you to school, you cannot memorize password.
Ma, I saw it with my own twice like this.
Good boy.
The man find out. Hey, you can't tell him. You can't change the password. Hey. My guy changed the password, sharp.
Yeah. Okay, it's like I forgot my phone.
now. Come and sit down now. I watch film. Your mommy will buy you lollipop.
Now you decided to follow me.
I'm going to give her the money.
What happened?
It cannot be sugar.
What do you mean by that?
He cannot do it.
I am his father. When I say you can dig it.
Now you don't say you don't drink sugar.
Family trees. I don't care. I will spoil him. I will spoil him. Remove that for. Don't put your hand inside this juice. Don't put your hand inside this juice. Don't put your hand inside this juice.
Oh, take care anyway.
Now you don't say you don't drink sugar.
Put it up.
No, I don't pick favorites like that.
My son, what brings you here? Baba, as my life there, I never understand my life again. My mates are going right, me, I'm going left. I don't even know what is happening to my destiny. Even let's say my life will make you bow. Baba, things are so hard for me. My husband said to aspire to see money pain a problem. What have I done? I'm the hope of my family, Baba. Baba, make something change for my life. Nothing carry me come here, eh? Make it not happen tomorrow, make it start today. Very galam. My son, pick one of these. Hey! You have to appease the gods with at least 500. 500 for egg? Yes. Boiled one.
500 for egg.
Pick one of these eggs with your 2 hands. Chew it. Mbarago, Otaya, Afo,
You walk.
It is done. Go! Ibudu has done it for you. Come back and give testimony to Ibudu.
Thank you.
I'm not trusting the baby. I'm not trusting the baby at all. I'm not trusting him.
Praise the Lord! Shank, don't make such exclamations in the shadow of Ibudu. I'm going to strike you.
Praise the Lord.
Baba, your juju they work. I never even go far. I don't say a lot of 500,000 naira. 500,000? Yes! Talkless, Ibudu has done it for you. Go! Hello?
Nduka, you see that money was sent for you? As they complain, say your house strength don't expire, make you not be like a wicked friend. I wait to make a send her for you. In 3 months' time, I don't want to hear story. Make sure you return my money back to me. They hear me so. What the this?
I'm dying inside you.
But by this time they rush, they finish all the egg. Maybe your juju drama. Now my friend borrow me money. I see they chop egg, drink water before they go send a boiled egg, kill the ghost.
This man here said he knows the secret to a woman's heart. And today I'm going to be interviewing him to expose those secrets. Now let's hear from the horse's mouth.
Who be horse?
Small boy, how are you? You didn't go to school today?
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Anyways, is this upper? Yes. Thank God. I'm looking for 3 house.
Give me your phone.
My phone? I don't understand.
Give me the look for 3 hours. I said give me your phone.
So I want to make call with it, Abby?
Sharp.
Come here. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Go to school. Get my phone. Come on, get up and go to school.
Hello? Zakola, Ajosa. First you have to beat me to collect my phone for our Jojo. Back of 3 hours. You have to beat me to collect my phone. How? I'm gonna call now. Don't cast off. Give me my fucking phone.
I will whip up. Get out of here. What's the apple here? Thank you, my brother. I just came to Benin. So I asked him, please, where is 3 house? I didn't see you collected my phone. This idiot! This my boy! This fool! This fool!
But no man, I the money for Joshua.
Oh man! You wanna beat Mrs. Money? You wanna beat Mrs. Money?
What the phone?
Give me my phone.
Oga, it's my phone.
I go run.
Give me my phone.
Oga, this is my phone now.
Give me my phone.
You know, man, don't worry. Leave this one for us.
I bet Mona can't go pay.
You move.
Senior man.
I see know you. I bet Mona can't go pay. Now go plug my new phone.
You don't obtain new phone without too, just like that. Can you imagine? All these qualities, I don't know it's even a problem at all. I don't know it's even a problem. If you're someone I leave calls when I will say no. Anyways, my people, thanks for watching to the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And like I said earlier on before the video, please subscribe to this channel, share it. They're very important. Share it. And check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Trust me, you will love them. You will love them. You feel me? So thanks my people for watching. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video, guys. Peace and love.